Hi sunshines, welcome back to the channel. Look, I keep hearing about new developments planned for Montego Bay and I just love it. So the most recent is planned for the hip strip, and no, I'm not talking about the $1 billion renovation of Jamaica Boulevard that will begin next year. If you haven't heard about that yet, then that means you've missed a couple of my videos. Here they are. They will be linked in the description box if you want to catch up. As a matter of fact, on Sunday I shared 5 Montego Bay development updates, so you should definitely check out that video as well. Now back to the matter at hand. On Friday, October 21st, ground was broken for the construction of a multifunctional complex that will feature luxurious resort-style accommodations and residential and commercial units. I feel like this was something that was hinted at in an article last year when they were talking about the renovation of the hip strip and how there are some upcoming developments that would complement it, hinting at one development that was to be spearheaded by Jamaicans. Yes, you heard me right. Now, while we are happy when foreign investors step up to the plate, we are even happier when you hear about Jamaicans choosing to invest in Jamaica and in the tourism sector in particular. Now, the project is the combined effort of Claudette Crooks of Money Masters Real Estate Limited, who is also the owner of the 7-acre property on which the complex will be built, and Constantine Hines from CNH Property Development Company. They will be employing a phased approach to the development, first starting with the construction of 30 units, which will include 1- and 2-bedroom units, a loft, and 2 penthouses, and then the next 3 phases will include the construction of residential and commercial units. The project is called the Vista Montego Bay Complex and is expected to cost US $100 million and create 300 new jobs. It is expected to be completed in 48 months. Now, Edmund Bartlett commended the venture not just because it's local investors that are spearheading it, but also because of the type of facility. Basically, because the concept includes not only residential units but also hotel rooms and a commercial area, it leads to a diversified income stream, which ensures a more sustainable development. The complex will basically overlook Harmony Beach Park, and because it is within the city, residents and visitors will have easy access to restaurants, beaches, the airport, shopping complexes, and a number of other facilities close by. It will be a good addition to the tourism offerings, the residential offerings in Montego Bay. Don't you think? Of course, if you are interested in learning more about other developments that are taking place in Montego Bay, you can check out my developments in Montego playlist, and you can also check out this video that I uploaded yesterday, Sunday, about 5 developments in Montego Bay. 5 updates on developments in Montego Bay. Updates on 5 developments in Montego Bay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. And of course, turn on all notifications so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.